Hello, my name is Matt, and I'm here today representing Syndicate 6. I will be presenting the results of our research and discussing how we have analyzed the data and interpreted the findings. What follows is a brief summary of our review of the current research on this topic. Kang et al. Found that awareness of AI technology can lead to increased job stress and insecurity among employees, which can make employees more likely to consider leaving their current positions. Teng et al. Has also linked AI awareness to increased turnover in tensions, noting that AI awareness might contribute to work withdrawal behaviors and emotional exhaustion. Han et al. Identified that using social media is associated with job burnout when people engage in social comparisons. The impact of social comparison is significant. They found that individuals who regularly compare themselves to others on social media are more likely to experience burnout, which may prompt them to consider quitting their jobs. However, it isn't all negative. Prentice et al. Discovered a strong positive correlation between the performance of AI services and job engagement, indicating that effective AI tools can in fact help increase employees' connection to their work, ultimately leading to enhanced overall job performance. This study also found that job security has a significant impact on the relationship between AI performance and employee outcomes. Having thoroughly reviewed the existing literature, we have identified a research gap concerning the correlation between the use of AI tools, employee engagement, and organizational commitment, which is an area where much of the research disagrees. Additionally, we believe exploring a broader range of industries and cultures is necessary to draw more generalized conclusions. This leads to our specific research question, which is to try to understand how the use of AI tools impacts employee engagement and organizational commitment in South Africa. We will interpret our results using Hopfel's conservation of resources theory. This theory is particularly relevant to our research question as it explains how individuals strive to retain, protect, and build resources, and it describes how stress can occur when those resources are threatened, lost, or not gained after substantial effort. Our syndicate successfully recruited 53 respondents for the survey, using a combination of email, WhatsApp, and social media for distribution. In addition to our own data, we incorporated datasets from 2 other syndicates, increasing the total sample size to 202. To ensure an equal gender distribution, we randomly removed 6 records, reducing the dataset to 196 records. We chose 3 survey questions that we believe effectively represent the concepts we aim to test in our analysis. The independent variable we have selected is the use of AI tools, and our syndicate agreed that question 9 in the survey, which contains the statement, "AI tools provide information in a timely fashion," serves as a good proxy for this variable. The mean and median responses to this statement lean towards a score of 6, indicating that the majority of our respondents agree with the statement. We chose question 22 to represent the first dependent variable, physical engagement. This question states, "I try my hardest to perform well in my job." It yielded a higher mean and median compared to our AI question, indicating the majority of respondents either agreed or strongly agreed with this statement. It also exhibited a lower standard deviation, indicating less variability in responses. For our final variable, organizational commitment, we selected question 36, which says, "I am proud to tell others I work at my organization." This question also had a mean and median value tending towards 6 on our response scale, along with a standard deviation similar to that of the AI question, indicating relatively high variability in responses. After careful consideration, our syndicate decided that Pearson's correlation test is the most appropriate statistical method for our analysis, based on our research objective. We believe it is well suited since our survey used a Likert scale, resulting in interval data, which is necessary for correlation analysis. Pearson's method is also suitable as it examines the presence of linear relationships between variables, and this is what we want to test. TEST is also widely utilized, offering a clear and quantifiable measure of association between variables. In order to use Pearson's method, we have assumed there is a linear relationship between our variables and that the data for each variable is normally distributed. We recognize that Pearson's correlation can be heavily influenced by outliers, potentially distorting the true relationship between the variables. Moreover, we acknowledge that this test only measures the strength and direction of a relationship and not causality. Therefore, even if we were to find a strong correlation, it does not imply that one variable necessarily causes the other. Our analysis revealed a weak positive correlation between employees' perceptions of AI tools providing timely information and their perceptions of the effort they invest in their jobs. This is evidenced by the Pearson coefficient of 0.21 and sig or p-value of 0.00. Additionally, we found a weak positive correlation between perceptions of AI tools providing timely information and organizational commitment, which is statistically significant at the 0.05 level. This indicates a slight tendency for employees who view AI tools as providing timely information to also experience pride in their organization, as evidenced by the 0.14 Pearson coefficient and 0.05 p-value. Lastly, there is a moderate positive correlation between employee engagement and organizational commitment, which is statistically significant at the 0.01 level. This suggests that employees who invest more effort in their jobs tend to feel prouder of their organization. This relationship is the strongest among the three pairs and is also highly significant, with a Pearson coefficient of 0.4 and a p-value of less than 0.0. So what do these findings mean for managers? We believe that managers should recognize the potential of AI tools to improve employee performance by delivering timely and relevant information. Although the impact on effort may not be substantial, it is statistically significant, indicating that AI can indeed support employees' job performance. Additionally, the strong correlation between effort and pride suggests that organizational pride may be closely associated to intrinsic factors such as the effort employees put into their work. Consequently, managers should prioritize creating environments that motivate employees to invest effort, as this is likely to enhance their sense of belonging and, in turn, pride in the organization. Within the context of conservation of resources theory, AI tools can be seen as resources that provide informational support to employees, helping them conserve cognitive and time resources. The weak positive correlation between AI tool effectiveness and employee effort suggests that when these tools function well, they might help employees conserve their energy and resources, allowing them to invest more in their job performance. The moderate positive correlation between effort and pride supports this. In conclusion, our analysis suggests that AI tools can be valuable in enhancing job performance to a certain extent, but their impact on deeper emotional connections to the organization, such as pride, is limited. Thank you for your time.